Hello, welcome to another episode, and today we have a lot of snow. I'm going for the slow motion drift event, so my friend Łukasz would give me his E46, and it means low speed, no grip, and close tandems. Wow, looks like I'm stuck. I'm a little bit stuck. Oh man, this is funny. Hey, what a beauty. Wow, this one is looking beautiful, like it's wide.
Yeah, on the front.
yeah, and fitment. See? Yeah. This is style.
New all season.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
Really grippy.
Oh, this guy is stuck. Let's push him.
This guy.
Huh? Sorry?
Yeah, this guy.
Ah, okay. Oh. Too human power.
I built this car.
Okay.
I swapped this engine from E39.
Yeah.
This is swap gearbox.
Yeah.
By me.
So
this is by me. Only this and this car.
Oh, okay.
By me.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yes. Yeah.
Don't see anything?
Yeah, I don't see anything. So what's wrong?
No, i do tyłu. Dawaj do przodu, do przodu, do przodu.
Do góry.
Łódką będę cię otwierał.
He's afraid, he wants to escape.
No escape.
Oh,
No. Are you alright?
oh yeah. It was it was straight. Oh man, I catch that on camera.
Fucking god.
Oh man, how did this happen? Oh man.
Nie byłem sam od pierwsza, kurwa, sam się. O kurwa, poducha wyjebała.
No.
Żyjesz? Rączek wyrwało.
Jasny chuj.
Drążek se na ziemi leży. Ale kierunek...
Well, the training is over. I'm returning back home, and yeah, it was very unusual for me because I did not crash my car or my rental car. I crashed on the passenger side, and honestly, Casper did an amazing job to save the car, but there was no other way rather than to meet the wall because the tie rod was disconnected, so it was broken before the crash, and he met the wall. And yeah, the airbag did not hit my face, it actually saved my legs. Other than smell and the loud sound, it was very okay. So really, overall crash experience is pretty good. So I don't believe the car is like irrestorable. It should be just fine, like some suspension elements, the tie rod, fender and hood, and you know, like it's still a missile, so nobody cares too much about how clean is the body. So really, it's not a big deal for him. I do believe he's not injured as well because everybody was smiling after the crash. So yeah, pretty nice day today, and see you in the next vid. Subscribe for more. We have a lot of projects coming, and I secretly tell you that I bought another drift car, and it's a pro level competition car. So stay tuned. See ya.